featured in the Belgian newspaper, guys.
Take so many every time for my family and friends, And here we are. Look at this. Guys, I'll enjoy my fries while I walk towards the old square.
Hey everyone, namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Prachi. Just look at this, guys. It's raining so heavily. I think because itna hot ho raha tha na Doha, Qatar mein ki they have done some cloud seeding for the artificial rain. By the way, I just returned from Dubai 2 days ago, and if you haven't watched my Dubai series, I'll put the link in the description. I'm getting ready to leave for Belgium.
2,000 years later.
Operated 5 hours long night flight from Doha, Qatar to Brussels, Belgium, and on my way to the hotel. Obviously, I'm tired, but let's check in quickly. Finally, I'm at my room, just checked in, and it's approximately 8:35 a.m. Let me do a quick room tour. This is me. Hi everybody. Yes, I'm tired. I don't know if I'm looking like one, but I'm tired. Well, this is the mini bar, as always in every hotel there are, and mirrors all the way. So and this is my cozy bed. Already cozy because I want to sleep now immediately. Night flights are usually peaceful, but timing wise it's a bit tedious because you have to be awake until late night. But anyway, we'll see you after a nap. Good afternoon everyone. I am all up. Nap le liya maine. It's approximately 2:15 in the afternoon. I'm all ready. This is what I'm wearing. Just casual, and I'm all ready to explore the city, so stay tuned. Just roaming around in this hotel property. It's a beautiful one. Let me quickly show you around before I get to my shuttle. Scrum Plaza, beautiful. So by the way, these are the glasses that hubby gifted me from Gucci, so I'm so happy. I love it. Let me know in the comment section how does it look like. So guys, let's go. It's time for the shuttle already, so let's get going. Free shuttle from the hotel to the airport. Let's go. So guys, I'm at the train, finally leaving for Brussels Central, and I met my colleague also, so both of us are together. We will just explore the city. Not the first time for me for sure, but vlogging for the first time. So do enjoy this episode. Unfortunately, we are moving backwards, guys. What to do? We are here, guys, Brussels Central. Absolutely. So guys, we are at the Brussels Central. That was the train station there, and now I'll be walking with my colleague. So if I say we, please understand. You want to say hi? Hi. That's Lei from Philippines. Yeah. So just we met coincidentally, and now we are out and about to explore the city. First time for you, Lei?
Yes.
First time for her. Yeah. So we will enjoy for sure. So let's go straight, guys. This is the lady at the Dunkin'. I asked her because our Wi-Fi's are not working somehow, and we'll just walk straight and follow the lane. Let's see. We'll reach somewhere for sure, and we'll show you as well. Right, Lei?
Yeah.
Good. So it's 3:30 p.m. We grabbed our coffees and at that Oats cafe. So now we are on our way to explore the city. I think this way, Lei. This way. Let's go this side. Yeah. No CSD. Lovely weather. As usual, it's never summer in Europe. It's cool wind, but sunny, and it's pleasant now. Early morning it was very cold. Thankfully, I'm carrying my jacket. There's so many souvenir shops, if you want to buy. Have a look. So we did some souvenir shopping. We're still having our coffees. And now we are going to this place called Monde Art. If I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. French words are difficult for me to pronounce. So we will see that first. And for this place, that's for my first time. So let's see कैसा है पार्क. और पिक्चर में तो काफ़ी सुंदर है. So देखते हैं और आपको भी दिखाते हैं. Here we are at Monde Art. Beautiful park. I also do that. That's why. Oh my god. Guys, let me show you the view of the garden from this top place. Wait and hold your breath. Wow, guys, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. Unbelievable. No, it's believable actually. Pretty. So this is basically the Monde Art here in Brussels, Belgium, and there are a couple of museums around. We are not going inside or exploring the museums. Also, we don't have so much time, it's just a short layover. So now after this, we'll be walking towards the Mannekensspiss and to the main Old Town Square. So stay tuned for that. From the buildings, another common feature in European cities are these cobble street guys. European building structure are very similar, most of the Europe, and even the streets, cobble streets, yeah. So very common, but still some cities like Budapest, even Belgium, they are very peculiar in their taste as compared to other regular European cities. And I forgot to mention my favorite city, Rome. The architecture there is so beautiful. Lee, have you been to Rome before? Yes. So beautiful, right? Yeah. It's my favorite city in the entire world. I remember this restaurant. Pretty lane. Very beautiful. So now we are on our way to Mannekensspiss. Again, I've been there before, but it feels nostalgic already to walk in these lanes. I remember. So ऐसे ही घूमते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं. ज़्यादा हमने टारगेट नहीं रखा है एक्सप्लोर करने का बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ टाइम, बट वी जस्ट वांट टू एंजॉय 2-3 प्लेसेस टू द मोस्ट रिलैक्स एंड दैट्स ऑल. Chocolate here. We want to check it. Butterflies and all. Asian food. Greece. Saffron. I think this is Indian for sure. Guys, this entire lane seems like to be the dining area for sure. I mean, full of restaurants from Greece, India, Turkey, Spain. Pretty nice. Asia as well, noodles and all that. So, but अभी तो भूख लगी नहीं है. We just had coffee. We will see. कहाँ पे खाएंगे? Either here or the old square. We will see. But Belgian waffle for sure. I wanna have. Lay, you wanna have the Belgian waffle? So guys, this is the old square area. So this way guys, and trust me guys, this building with the blue painting. So that blue building guys I showed you, I'm so I remember that so clearly every time I had been to Brussels. And yes, like I said, मैं तब ब्लॉगिंग नहीं करती थी, बट अब कर रही हूँ, तो डेफिनेटली आप लोगों के संग मेरी ये लाइफ शेयर करने के लिए ऑल्सो इट्स आई फील वेरी स्पेशल टू बी एबल टू डू सो. सो चलो आपको दिखाते हैं यहाँ की वन ऑफ द फेमस स्टैचू, जो कि आप देख के सरप्राइज हो जाओगे. चलो देखते हैं.
And as I was passing by, this street photographer from Ukraine clicked me this photo, and I'm gonna give him some chocolate for that. Nice Belgian chocolate. Take so many every time for my family and friends, I remember. Hi, peace.
Hi.
Thank you for the photo. Yes.
So basically guys, he's a street photographer and he clicked me this picture, and I gave him some chocolates in return from this store. And I remember this store very clearly because I used to come here when I was flying as a junior crew. I had taken so many chocolates from this store for my friends and family. So I used to love coming here. I remember that. आपको कुछ चीज़ें vividly याद रह जाती हैं, and you feel nostalgic when you come back to the same spots every time. And that's about it. That's the fun of being an international flight attendant. कि मैं पूरी दुनिया घूम चुकी हूँ literally, and I feel so thankful and blessed to be able to do whatever I have desired for so far, and thanks to the Almighty. So my colleague is buying some chocolates.
A few moments later.
Busy lane. We already took coffee break. So busy. This lane is super busy guys, obviously because of that mannequin based statue, and we are almost there. Waffles. And here we are. Look at this. Take a photo. Yeah. Let's look at him first.
This mannequin pis statue is the most famous tourist attractions and statue, as we could call it, here in Brussels, Belgium. This statue has stood here since 1618 AD. It was a little boy who defeated the enemies of Brussels who wanted to bring down the walls of the city by using gunpowder. This little boy diffused that fire using his urine as a fountain of water. Isn't it so interesting?
So now you know guys why this statue is so important and why so many people are here for the pictures and all, even though the statue is small, but it holds immense significance for this country. That's it from this place. Now we are walking towards the old town, which is quite close by, which is very adjacent to this area. So chalo chalte hain. So now fries. I took regular fries with the Angelus sauce that they recommend. Here is my Belgian fries. Oh my god, so excited. Even though I'm not supposed to have it, but it's okay. I can't resist. और obviously आपको local stuff तो try करना ही पड़ता है जो famous है. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं first time कर रही हूँ, but पहले भी कर चुकी हूँ, but जितनी बार आओ करना ही पड़ता है. So I'll try. Oops. गिर गया. Guys, I'll enjoy my fries while I walk towards the old square. Nothing much to see. Some other places are quite far away and we are reluctant to take Uber and all that. It's more about relaxing. So we rather relax here at this place. And fries enjoy करते हैं और बस आपको कुछ और भी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा तो वो ज़रूर दिखाएंगे. ठीक है?